గైస్, లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం లిస్ట్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసాం కదా. సో ఈ వీడియోలో టుపుల్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. సో ఇన్ కేస్ మీరు మిస్ అయ్యి ఉంటే ఒకసారి లిస్ట్ వీడియో మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడండి. సో లెట్స్ గో ఆన్ టు ది టుపుల్స్. సో tuple is also a built-in data type which is used to store the different kinds of data, either integers or strings. సో మనం టూపుల్స్లో కూడా సేమ్ లిస్ట్లో లాగే స్ట్రింగ్స్ అయినా ఇంటీజర్స్ ఏ వాల్యూస్ అయినా స్టోర్ చేయొచ్చు. బట్ స్ట్రింగ్స్కి టూపుల్స్కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటంటే టూపుల్స్కి లిస్ట్కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటంటే లిస్ట్ అప్డేషన్స్ అంటే డేటాను అప్డేట్ చేయడం లేదా మోడిఫై చేయడం ఆర్ డిలీషన్ ఇవన్నీ పాసిబుల్ అవుతాయి. బట్ టూపుల్స్లో డేటాను అప్డేట్ చేయడం లేదా డిలీట్ చేయడం అనేది పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. ఫర్ సపోజ్ హియర్ యూ కెన్ సీ tuples are immutable. A sequence of values means immutable means nothing but updations are not possible in tuples. So that's why it is called as immutable. Whereas the lists are mutable means ఏమన్నా అప్డేట్ చేయాలంటే లిస్ట్లో మనం అప్డేట్ చేయొచ్చు లేదా డేటాని ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయొచ్చు ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్, రైట్? సో లెట్ us discuss about an example on. So I'm taking here one example of a tuple. So this is the syntax of declaring a tuple. So here the tuple should be declared by using the parentheses, whereas the list is having square brackets, right? So I'm taking some numbers from 1 to 5. Let us try to print this tuple. So here you can see we are getting the output as 1 2 3 4 5, right? Done. So now let us try to update this tuple why changes are not possible. So let us try to update the tuple by using the index value. So I'm trying to update the index position 1. So let us check what will it come. So here you can see it will generate an error that tuple object does not support item assignment. It is nothing but as the tuples are immutable, it is not allowing us to update the values, right? So that's it. So here you can see an example. We are trying to update the index value 0 using the 43, but here it is saying that tuple is not allowed in Python. I mean the modifiers are not allowed in tuples. So these are the examples of defining a tuples. And let's move on to the tuple methods. So here we are having two methods. One is the index method and another one is the count method. So let us look into them. So here we are having a tuple with 1 to 5 numbers, right? So let us try to learn the index method. So this index method is used to return the index value of a particular number. For suppose I want to get the index number of a 4, so then we need to use the index method like this, dot index of 4. So let us try to print it. It will return the index value of the number. So here you can see the index number of the 4 is 3. It is having the index number as 3, right? For suppose let us change this to 1. It will return the index position as 0. So that's about the index method in tuples. I mean another method is count method, which is used to return the number of occurrences of a value, nothing but a count of a value. But suppose I'm taking again values like this. So now let us try to count the value of 1. So you can see the value of 1 is occurred 2 times in this tuple. Here you can see 1, right? So let us try to count the value of 5. Yes, 1. So here you can see the value 5 is having in this tuple is only 1 time, right? So this is the way the count method and index method are used in tuples. Let me explain you something. So if you want to update any tuple, as many tuples are immutable, right? So we are not able to apply any modifiers. But if you want to update a tuple, then you need to change the tuple into a list. So there is a method called list method to change the tuple into list. So let us change it. First of all, let us print a. So now I am changing this L is equals to. So now my tuple A is changed to the list L. So now let us try to print L. So here you can see my tuple is changed. Yeah, at first I have printed the A. Here the A is a tuple. Here you can clearly observe we are having the parentheses, and later upon changing the tuple into the list, we are having the L value we are printing the L value. It is here, you can clearly see they are having the square brackets. Why? Because we have changed the tuple into the list. So now we can easily perform the updations by using the list methods or whatever. So let us try to update. So I am trying to update the list at the position value, index position value 1, and I am updating the value 20. You can see I will printing the value list. So you can see the index position value 1 is updated. So again, if you want to convert the list into tuple, then simple. There is a method, predefined method in tuple, t is equals. So you can clearly convert the L into the tuple. So now let us try to print the L. Sorry, let us try to print the T. See, here you can see first one is tuple and another second one is change. First of all, it is changed to the list. After updation of the list, we have changed the list into the tuple by using the tuple method. So if you want to convert any tuple into the list, we can use the list method. And if you want to convert list into tuple, we can use tuple method. That's it.